Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode in our Apothecary Garden Plants Series. So it's a little dreary out today. We weren't planning on that, but that means it's the perfect day for us to show you how to make lemongrass tea with your lemongrass plant and spice it up with a little bit of ginger for extra flavor and benefits. So lemongrass goes by a few different names. Two of them are citronella and fevergrass plant. And if you don't know from even what the name implies, in the past, lemongrass has been used to reduce fevers. It's also been known to help promote relaxation and aid in digestion, kind of like the lavender plants that we were talking about last week. So if you want to know more about these benefits, stay tuned because we're going to be putting out another video on all of the benefits of lemongrass and how they can help you. And as always, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. So let's take a look at our lemongrass plant here. We've got a potted one, and I'm gonna bend down a little lower. I mean, it's like bursting with excitement right now, right? It's coming into my face. It's wonderful. I love this plant. So another really easy plant to grow on your balcony if you have an apartment or in your garden. We're going to be using this plant to make our tea. So you can use the stalks or the leaves here. And we're just going to go ahead and grab some, and then we're going to get started. So let's go into the kitchen and we'll make us some tea. I don't even think we're going to use all of this, but looks like some good stuff. So, oh yeah, and by the way, another really great plant to have on your balcony, because if you are just like dragging like today, just take the leaf, go like this, smell it, and that lemony flavor is just gonna uplift you and give you a boost of energy. Okay, let's go ahead. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is just wrap this up like this. Just more for ease for us. What we wanna do is muddle your lemongrass plant. So we've got the stalks and the leaves here. And if you have a mortar, it would be easy to do it that way. But this way we're going to release the essential oils. So we're just pressing down here. Just go like this. I mean, you already should be able to smell the oils coming out. It smells super good. So you broke it up there. Whoop. And then you're going to want to also have your ginger. Boom. I already pre-cut it up. And some people will just slice it like this, but I like to get more surface area, so I actually ended up mincing it. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the ginger in. We're going to make 2 cups worth, so I'm putting in about 2 teaspoons, maybe a little bit more of ginger. And then to make it easier for us for the lemongrass, I'm using scissors. We're going to cut this like this. And just go to town. You can also use a knife if you want to. I just like scissors. And so we'll probably do 1 to 2 tablespoons of this per cup, just because I like the flavor a lot. And again, cutting it like this to have more surface area. So what you want to do in the meantime, also be boiling some water. Boom, and then we're going to put this right into the teapot as well. All right, looking good. Check that out. Woo-hoo. Okay, so we boiled our water and we let it rest for just a minute. Now we're just going to pour it in. Now some people say to simmer. I think that's about good. Some people say to simmer your lemongrass and ginger in a pot. But what happens is, I mean, you can do that for flavor, and it's great for flavor, but you're actually going to potentially lose out on the nutritional benefits because heat can cause those to dissipate. So we're going to go this route, let it sit for about 20 minutes. Again, you're going to do it to taste. Put the top on, make sure we keep the heat in that way. And then just add a little honey and you're good to go. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. If you, again, like it or learned something, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And please leave a comment or a question. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time. Oh, pinky up.